In today's session, we will practice setting up our hand position for little Liza Jane. So first, let's take a second to place our hands in the proper position. Put your left hand thumb on middle C and your right hand thumb 4 steps above middle C. That note is F. Left hand middle C, right hand F. Good. Take a moment to make sure your hands are in the correct position again. Now that our hands are in the right position, let's start by looking at the first 2 measures. In the right hand, we play fingers 3, 3, 2, 1. Skip back up to 3 and skip up to 5. We play finger 5 2 times. Good, so in the left hand we hold fingers 1 and 5. Those 2 notes are C and F. Take a moment to practice this section with your parents first. And parents, see if you and your child can tell us what the note names are in this section. If you need to use your musical alphabet chart, feel free to do so. Remember the spaces spell face. F, A, C, and E. So were you able to guess the notes? They are, in the first 2 measures, A, G, F, A, C, C. Great. If you need to go back and repeat this section, feel free to do so. Let's look at the next 2 measures in the right hand. You will play finger number 3, finger number 5, skip back down to finger 3, and skip back up to finger number 5. Remember, we hold finger 5 for 2 beats the first time and 3 beats the second time. Let's try right hand. We play right hand finger 3, skip up to 5, skip back down to 3, skip back up to 5. In the left hand, we play finger 3, skip up to finger 1, skip down to 3, skip back up to finger 1. Parents, notice that these 2 parts are playing at the same time, and they're also the same notes. Take a moment to practice this with your child first, and then make sure both hands are playing in sync together. Practice the right hand melody, then the left hand melody. Then add it together. Make sure to keep our hands steady and in place. When we're all ready, let's play this next part together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, play. Great, if you need to go back and repeat this section, feel free to do so. Otherwise, let's look at the next 2 measures. They're exactly the same as the first 2 measures. Take a moment to practice the first 2 measures again, and when we're all ready, let's play it. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, play. Sounds great. Now in the last 2 measures, we play right hand finger 3 twice. Step down to 2. Step down to 1. In the left hand, we play finger 3 twice. Step down to 4. And step down to 5. Good. Take a moment to practice this with your parents first. And parents, make sure that your child's left hand is prepared to play. You'll be playing both hands at the same time again, so let's be mindful of that. Also, try and tell us what notes are in the right hand. Remember the face method. Here are the notes: A, G, and F. Were you able to guess them correctly? Awesome job. If you need to go back and repeat this section, feel free to do so. Otherwise, we're all done with little Liza Jane. A note to parents. To help your child practice this week, you can make sure their hands are in the correct position. Make sure their thumbs are in the right spot. Left hand thumb on middle C and right hand thumb on F for this song. Have your child tell you some of the notes that they'll be playing. Practice this slowly, then at a medium pace. And with repetition, they will feel more comfortable playing the song faster. Last but not least, annotate your music. See you soon, and happy practicing.